Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix NVIDIA Overlay and not showing FPS in your Windows. Let's begin. First, go ahead, go over here, click on your Start menu, and just look up for NVIDIA application or your GeForce Experience. Then click on the settings on the left panel. Then here, overlay section, you will see NVIDIA overlay. You can read this if you want, but on the right side, you will see the option to enable this. So if it's grayed out, just make sure to enable this and it will be marked or colored green. Now, the next part would be to either close this or minimize this, right? Let me show you. And then over here again, look for services, all right? Left click on it and we need to look for NVIDIA. So you can just click on anything over here and then type the letter N. And we need to look for, or you need to look for NVIDIA FrameView SDK service. Right click, properties, and startup type. Make sure to switch this to automatic. And you will see the status most likely stop. So if it is stop, make sure to click on start and then click apply. Okay. And that's it. But following all of these steps, this will greatly help you and make sure that your overlay is now going to show up. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.